The last part we want to look into is the uninstallation of our plugin. When a user uninstalls a plugin, they want their WordPress install to be exactly the same as it was before we installed it. I think if any of you has used the WordPress as a CMS for some sites, it might have happened to you that you've tried a few plugins, you install them, and then you don't like them, you uninstall them, and then all of a sudden the WordPress, the site is just not the same. Things got changed for good, and I don't like it when that happens. I don't think it's good practice. I think if the user uninstalls the plugin, it should leave the installation clean and don't leave any trash behind. Let's go to our uninstall.php. The code here will only be executed if we are uninstalling the plugin, and I want to get rid of that hits table that we created. So we want to get its name again, like this, and if the table exists, we want to delete it. So if the table exists, in this case equal sign, we're going to run a query, drop table, and let's execute it. There we go. So on uninstallation, our table will be gone along with all of its data. Let's deactivate it first and delete it. And you need to make sure that your web server Apache user has can write into this folder. So if you installed WordPress properly and you downloaded a plugin, it will work. But if you added the folder manually, you might need to make sure that the folder is writable by your web server user. And that really depends on the system and configuration you're using. So if once you press here, you see an error that says like your plugin could not be removed, that sort of stuff, it probably has to do with permissions. So the plugin was deleted, and if I reload this page, the hits table is gone as well. So to summarize, the code is gone, so I can't show it to you at the moment, but what we did was create a new table on the plugin activation. So that's the moment where you want to create those new tables. We saw how to modify them, how to insert data, and it's also important to get rid of them when you uninstall the plugin.